Thought I'd make this video because I've developed um, a new variation on an old symptom, and basically I now get sound effects with my movements every now and again. But they're particularly bad if I'm sitting watching television or trying to relax. So trying to capture these on video has not been easy, and what you're about to see on here is probably a little boring at first, but I think really I think I'm just making this record for my own sake, and anyone else who happens to be suffering from similar symptoms. This whole evening I've sat watching television, and every now and again I will have these explosive episodes where I vocalise and I have no control over them. They happen so quickly. And so this is just sort of to show you what is happening, not for your entertainment really, but hopefully it will be helpful to someone if they're also suffering from neurological problems. Sometimes I said before, it's just helpful to see that there are others that are going through the same. So it might be a bit boring the next 2 minutes because there's some waiting time, but I think you'll see what I mean. Thank you for watching. There is a bit of a variation on this theme, and the problem is with all of these things is that they happen in times when unexpectedly, so it's not exactly easy to film them. But there is another one where I make the noise, and what happens is I'm looking in one direction and I suddenly shoot across looking in the other direction, and look as if I'm trying to make the person next to me jump. It's going to be quite amusing, I think, next time I'm out waiting at the doctor's surgery. I just hope there's no one with a weak heart there, because I could make them jump. But this is becoming quite an annoying new symptom, which has started probably a couple of weeks ago, but it's like so many of my symptoms, it starts with the odd one or two, and then it becomes more and more a part of my everyday life. And at the moment what I'm experiencing is a sort of a tingling sensation down my left side of my head, and I feel prickling in my arms and in my body, and these movements don't normally happen when I'm speaking or doing something. It really is when I'm trying to rest. So as I say, it's not easy to capture, and I'm not even sure how helpful this video is, but if nothing else, it's for my record. So anyhow, as I said before, thank you for watching. I do hope it does help someone.